Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can test trading knowledge on forex.com. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you do is you need to be in this particular platform, which is forex.com website. So to be here, you have to just go to your web browser and just type forex or forex.com and press enter. Then you'll be in this platform. So onto this first link, just go over here and choose the link, and you will be redirected directly to that particular platform, which is forex.com website. So what you do is just go to this education drop down menu, and onto this academy option there will be courses, lesson and self-assessment quiz. So just go with self-assessment quiz, and then let's start. Come on, it may take some time, guys. So these are the quiz. So here from here you can test your trading knowledge on forex skills like that. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.